I'm going to show you how to do the transition. A transition is from one slide, right, one of your pages to another page. And then after, I'm going to show you the animations. It's kind of like almost the same thing, but it's not. The transition is this. Okay, so let me play mine here, right? When you want to check to see if you did it right, you got to actually play the slideshow, right? You can play the slideshow, which I'm going to play here. And today, okay, there it goes. So right now, obviously, I didn't have any transitions here, but when I hit the space bar, right, to go to the next page, look what it does. It just doesn't go to the next page. There's some sort of a little effect. See that? It slides in. Okay, that's called a slide transition. And then when I hit the space bar again, look, it slides the other way. You can select which way to make it slide. Or you can do some other thing that does something like this on the next one. See, it kind of does a little, like a turning the block or something like this. Those are called transitions from one slide to the next, okay? The animations are these. Like, see how this is a blank page? When I bring in text, and the text either is coming in different, those are the animations on these text boxes that we're gonna create, and I'm gonna show you how to do that as well, okay? So that when you're putting questions out there and you're making a presentation and later you're waiting for answers or responses, then you can later click, right, and put those answers up there. Okay, so this is how you do it. Let me show you how to do it. I'm just kind of going through this real quick, and I think that bottom one's gonna rotate right now. Let's see, up there it is. See, that's another animation. Okay, here it is. Let me show you how. Go ahead and click to the slide that you wanted to, that you're gonna go from this slide to the next slide to right here on the left side on the column. Click on that slide, right? Then right click it. Right click it, or some of you might double click it, but when you right click it, you'll get this little pull down menu. This menu pops up, and go down to right here. See where it says transition? Right here, it says transition. Okay, then I'm gonna select that. Then, this one says none. And then you hit this right here. And then see, you got these different ones. Dissolve, you got fade, you got slide from right to left. Actually, I didn't do one on the first one, or else when you start your presentation, it'll do nothing. You have to hit the space bar. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that alone. Let me go to the second one. Forget that one. Let me go to the second one. Right click it, and transition. See, this one I have it sliding from the right. So it's coming in from the right. You can also control how fast it goes. If you see right here, it goes slow. You don't want it to be too fast. You see this where it says slow, medium, fast right here? You don't want the transition to be too quick, or else nobody will see it. So kind of keep it kind of a little bit on the slower side. And let's see what dissolve does. Now notice that when I change dissolved, down here it says play. You can actually check it and see what it looks like. See, you can see what play. So I'm gonna play it. Let's see what dissolve is. It goes from there, and then, okay, that's dissolve. See how one of them kind of fades away and the other one appears? Okay, stop. Let me go back. Maybe I didn't like that one. Maybe I didn't like that one. Let me change it to, let's see what fade does. Let's see, let me play it. I change it to fade. Fade is almost similar to, one of them fades out, the other one fades in. Okay, that's fade. Stop. Okay, maybe I didn't like fade. Let me try slide from right. Okay, a flip. Let's try flip. I already know slide from right. It's gonna come from the right. Flip. What is flip? Push play. Oh, that's the flip one. Look, it just flips it. Oh, that's a cool one. A flip is not, let me play it again. Oh, stop. Let me play it again. A flip is not the same as a cube. This one flips it, and then you see the next one coming up. That's cool. Watch this next one, the cube. The cube is it's a different ball game. Cube is the one that looks like this, like if it's a box, like that. That's the cube one. See it? And then the last one you got there. This is from one slide to the next, right? So you got to go to click onto each slide and kind of do a different. What's the last one? I think it says gallery, or what does it say? Was that the last? Oh, I got to stop it. Oh, right here, sorry. What's gallery? Let's see, play. Oh, that's gallery. Okay, that's from one slide to the next. So do one of them in one slide. Okay, let's say I like that one. Actually, I like flip. Let me go back to, I gotta hit stop. I like the flip one. Okay, but don't do the same one all the time. All right, so that goes from slide 2 to slide 3. Now if I want from 3, now I gotta right click to, oh, stop. You gotta hit stop. Then I go to 3 and then I pick a different transition from 3 to 4. Slide from left looks like, well, it's sliding from the left to the right, see? Okay. All right. How do you do the animations for the little parts like this? You click onto them. See this little, when you add these little text boxes, if you want them to slide in, you actually click into them and then see it has, right now I have it at slide to left. And again, you can do different animations for each of your text boxes or for these pictures that you guys brought in. You gotta, oh, actually right click it and hit animate. Okay, and then, oh, look at this one's this is a different one. This is the one that has spin. Look, zoom in, zoom out, spin, fly in. Oh, fly in. Flying in. You can have flying in. Let's see flying in from the right. Let's see play it. Oh, did it fly in from the right? Oh, here it goes. Ready? I got to hit the space bar. See, it flies in from the right. Now, what does fly out? What does fly out mean? Let me stop it. Fly out means that it's there, that it's going to show it, but then when you hit it, it flies out. It goes away. I don't know why you would want that one. Let's see the fly. I'll show you. Oops, not this one. Actually, this is the one where you got to, this is the one you got to click here and hit this animate here. Hit the animate here on this one. And then that was fade in. Watch. Let me show you fly out. Fly out to the left. Or watch this one. When I play it, it'll be there. It'll show. Or it should show. Oh, because I still have the other one. Oh, you can have it where it shows and then it flies out. See? You could have it faded and fly out. I don't know why you would want that, but hey, it's up to you. Usually I want things to be appearing, not disappearing. Okay?
Yes.
All right, work with that, mess with that, learn that, and, you know, be creative with your stuff there. You don't have to do it all the time for everything, but, you know, mix it up. Okay, that's it. If you need help or something, let me know and I can